This topic is about similar triangle. So this is the diagrams that we need to prove that ABC and DBA is actually similar with the highlighted clues given. So actually we have redrawn it into two triangles. One you can view it as the small one here. Okay, the other one will be the big triangle. The big triangle here. Okay. Which we already redraw it here. This is the small one in green, and this is the big one in blue. Okay, so after we draw the two triangle, right, we can clearly see that this is the similar triangle which is given by the question. So we can say that angle BAC equals to angle BDA. This is given by the question. Okay, so second part is, since the big triangle and the small triangle is overlapping, hence this portion is their common angle, which is shared by both triangles that is overlapping. Okay, so angle ABC equals to angle DBA. This is a common angle. Okay, lastly, so when you have this and this is same, so this and this definitely will be same after you taking 180 degree minus of the two sides. So angle ACB equals to DAB. Okay, sum of triangle. So conclusion, you have to show that ABC equals to DBA is similar, proven by SSS. Side. No, sorry. Should be angle, because we are not using the length. So we will prove by using A. For part C, part 2. Okay, your AB is 6 cm. Here is 4 cm. So you need to find your AD. So back to this triangle. AB is 6 cm. AB is 6 cm. So BC is 4 cm. And you need to find your BD. So we've given all the information here. You need to find out the length. Okay, this portion. Okay, so we have to write out the work steps. The working step will be AB is the same side as per DB. They are facing the same sides. equals to BA. Okay, now we already write out the side of small one against the big triangle. So now we can substitute the number in. Okay, 6 over, if this is unknown, you just write DB, which is the side that you want to find. BC is 4 over 6 cm. So now we can cross multiply. 4DB equals to 6 multiplied by 6. So DB equals to 6 times 6 divided by 4. So 36 divided by 4 will give you 9 cm. So your DB equals to 9 cm.